Today, before I start sharing with you that how I improved my English, how you can improve your English, I want to take a moment and wish a very happy Holi to all of you. I wish God will fill your life with energy, success, prosperity, color, everything. This is my wish for you people. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you that how I practice speaking English and how I improved my English, right? So let's come on the topic. First of all, how I practice speaking English. My friend, you won't believe, since I started learning this language, I'm very much serious, I don't let anything go unless I learn something from that place related to English. I'm very much serious, So for learning anything, I think we need to be serious. I'm not saying that it's an English language, that is why be serious. No. If you need this language, and I believe that you need this language, right? For your career, for achieving success, right? So you need this language. That is why you are here watching my video. And you want to improve as soon as possible. For that one, what you have to do? Become serious and try to practice every single day. Try not to break your consistency. If you break your consistency, you won't be able to speak this language very fluently in short period of time. Okay? So what you should do? Take seriously and practice every single day. As we know that for speaking any language, we need to practice, right? Listening practice and speaking. Listening and speaking both are very, very important in order to speak any language. Similarly, we have to apply this tactic here and start listening and speaking as many hours as possible. And I do the same. Okay? So, how do I practice? See, wherever I go, I try to learn something from that place. Okay? And try to describe that whether I'm able to describe that things or not. And by doing so, I feel that little bit improvement is happening in my speaking. So, if you want to improve this language, try to describe things in your own words. See, here I am standing. If you are a learner, then describe these things in this English language, I would say. Okay? See, few days back I came here. At that time, these crops were not ripe. It had not grown up. But now you can see that. But now you can see that it has grown up, I think. After 1 week, we people are going to harvest this wheat crop, right? And this is evening time. Standing in this field, I'm recording my video. So many things you can describe. See, behind me, so many trees are there, so many things. Okay? So wherever you go, if you are from city area, try to describe things in your own words, right? That is how we can get fluency, my friend. Otherwise, if you think that you will get everything from only one place, no, it won't be possible. That is why, in terms of learning anything, there is a starting point, but there is no ending point. Okay? So, no one can say that he or she can become a perfect in any field. So, same thing goes with this language also. If I say that I started learning this language 10 years ago and now I'm perfect, it's not true. No one can become perfect. Okay? So, there is a starting point for learning anything. So, here I think you have just recently started learning this language. So, you will get perfection, day by day if you try to describe things in your words. My friend, let me share with you that how many hours I practice. So I don't count, The day I have a lot of time, that day I try to give a lot of time behind learning this language. If I have less time, so as per my spare time, I just devote my time for learning this language. Okay? Because we don't have only one thing to do, right? In our life, we have multiple of things to look after, just like family member, children, and then study, and then other work also. So in your case also, you won't be free for 24/7, but at least you can take out time for learning this amazing language, right? So do these kinds of things. In my case, I don't count that how many hours I practice. Okay, whenever I see something new, I try to describe. If I'm unable, that time I try to Google. So do the same thing. Try to take something and describe that things in your own words, and see whether you are failing or getting success, whether you are successfully able to describe or not. Okay, and then you will see that a great improvement will take place in your speaking. A great improvement will occur in your speaking. So this is the way that I practice, and I feel that my English is improving, and I have come this far. I mean that the way I'm speaking, it is because I practice it a lot and I give a lot of time. In your case also, take seriously and learn this language. So as I shared with you that tomorrow is Holi festival, so let me share with you little bit about Holi festival, that how we celebrate in my area. My friend, as we already know that this festival is full of color, and it is celebrated beginning of Fagun month. As we know that this is also a big festival in India, right? So we people celebrate it very tremendous way, and this festival is full of color. So in my area also, people, they celebrate it grand way, but the thing is that little bit flaws is there, I would say. Little bit they celebrate it different way, just like taking liquor a lot, and I would say that they have made it completely opposite or different. The way this festival should be celebrated, little bit that thing is there, that I would say that color, and they meet each other, that few things are there. Otherwise a lot of things they have changed, they have replaced. They take a lot of liquor and gaza, bhang and all, and whole day they be in, I would say that, nase mein, So this festival should not be like that, right? It is the festival of connection, compassion, empathy, love, right? And we should smear the colors on our loved one, on our elderly. So let me know in my comment box that how do you people celebrate. In your area also, people, they take a lot of liquor and all. It's not the right things to share, but everywhere I think a lot of people, they have changed the meaning of this festival, but it should not be like that, right? We should take it positive way and make it a symbol of love, compassion, empathy and togetherness, right? So let's come on the topic. Another thing what we do, most of the people in village, they have mud related home. Okay, so what do? We bring, or we try to carry mud from the pond and mix with the cow dung and try to mop, I would say that, lipna. Okay, we do inside the home, outside the home. And if you come in my village, you will see that at every home everyone has done these things. Okay, so we do these kinds of things. Other thing, that on the Holi festival, like before the Holi festival, we burn the bonfire. I hope that you know the meaning of bonfire. Bonfire means Holika, So I hope that you know the story of why we celebrate the Holi festival. Let me share with you something related to Holi festival. Why we celebrate Holi festival? We celebrate Holi festival because this is the symbol of victory over evil, right? There are a lot of stories in Hinduism, but there is one story which I am going to share with you. Well, I think that you people can describe this story better than me. I would say far, far better than me. But I'm going to try in my words. Okay? So long, long ago, there was one demon named Hiranyakashipu. He had got boon from the god after doing a long penance. I hope you know the meaning of penance, tapasya. Okay? So God had given him boon that you would be very powerful. Thinking so, he thought that now I am very powerful and I can rule over all the planet, and he started doing a lot of bad things. Okay, so he announced in his kingdom that everyone should chant my name. Okay, you people should not chant God's name like that. or God name. Then in his kingdom, due to his fear, his subjects, they started, or his praja, or we call it, I think, subjects. So they started praying and chanting his name, except one person. That person was none other than Prahlad, his son. Okay, he was very young, and since his childhood he was divinely guided, I think. So he had a divine energy, and he used to follow God, not his father. Okay, that is why he had never ever prayed his father. He used to pray Lord Vishnu. Then this thing was bothering his father very much. He thought that all subjects are all praja, they are worshipping me, they are chanting my name, except my son. And he couldn't bear that things, that my son can worship, or he should worship God. He could not bear this thing. Okay, so he had envy with Lord Vishnu. Okay, and I would say that he was considering Lord Vishnu as an enemy. Then that boy kept chanting, and time passed. That Hiranyakashipu did so many things so that his son could not worship Lord Vishnu. Okay, he did many a things, but he got failure. Then one day he thought that I should kill with the help of my sister. He had a sister named Holika. Okay, so he took the help of Holika. As we know that Holika had got one boon, which was, if she sit on the fire, even fire would not burn her body. So she thought that if I take this boy, I mean Prahlad, in my lap and sit on fire, so he will die. Okay, but he didn't die. You know why? Because God was protecting him. He was with the right things, right? So that is why he didn't die. Apart from him, that Holika, she died because her body burnt and her body turned into ash, I would say. उसके जो body थे वो राख में बदल गए. Okay, so these kinds of things happened, and over there we could say that the triumph took place, or triumph occurred. Okay, how? Because that Prahlad was right. So Prahlad didn't die because God was protecting him. So, but that Holika, she died. So from then people, they started celebrating Holi festival. Okay, that is why they burn Holika before one day of Holi. I mean that bonfire. Okay, they burn bonfire before one day of Holi, and they think that they are burning all the negativity from their mind. As I shared that finding negativity in everyone, like finding negativity outside, it's very easy, but finding negativity inside, it's very hard. So we have to get triumph over our evil, over our negative thought, right? And we should bring positivity in our mind, compassion, love, caring, and sharing, so many things, right? So this is what. So from there, from that moment, we got one lesson, which is victory over evil. Okay, so they take liquors, they take alcohol and gaza, bhang and all. But I think that if you are truly divine guided, or the divine energy is there, or I would say that you will not need intoxication, right? Because that God energy will be there with you. So you will be, we call it ना, आप हमेशा मस्त रहोगे अगर आप God से connected हो. But if you are not connected, then you need many things for feeling like intoxication and all. This is what I would say. So don't take it wrong way, just play it nice way. So this is what I wanted to share with you people. Try to describe all the things in your words so that you can learn. I don't think a lot that whether I'm describing things good way or not. I just share in my word however I can do. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.